Let's see what are the main objectives of this course. We'll begin our journey with a brief discussion about the tools that are needed to get you up and running with Laravel. Next, we'll see how to set up our development environment for creating web applications with this fast-growing PHP framework. We'll continue by discussing what are the main components of Laravel and how these interact with each other. And we'll finish our course by creating a web application from start to finish, discovering more features of the framework. But before going further, I'd like to discuss about the requirements for this course. I'm expecting that you are a beginner to intermediate level PHP programmer with basic knowledge of object-oriented PHP, willing to learn a new framework and hopefully getting in love with it. As this is an introductory course, I will cover basic to intermediate Laravel features. That being said, let's start our journey with Laravel 4.